Hi, Homeschool Planet users. This is Robin. I wanted to talk today about how to create an assignment list. Today's tutorial is going to be about using the report called assignment lists, but I want you to know you can also choose to go to your weekly view or monthly in planner mode and print just using the print button, either economy, black and white, or color, and you'll get a list that looks like what is shown on your screen. Or you can go to calendar view and again, select print, choosing economy or color, and you'll get a list, a printout that looks like your screen. Or you can go to assignment lists in the reports menu. When you do this, you'll see the report you're printing across the top, and then you'll see a customize bottom in the lower left-hand corner. Once you select that, you can choose whether you would like reports for one or all of your students. I'm going to print just for Juliana today. Then you can choose the subjects or categories. Subjects are academic endeavors and categories are chores and field trips and extra things you've added to your calendar. I'm going to leave it with all. And then you can choose a date range. You can choose the beginning of this week as your start and the end of this week if you'd like to print a list of things your student will be completing this week. If you need to use this list for reporting purposes, you can also choose a specific date range. The opportunities are really endless. So I could need to show what work I completed from March 1st. And then I'll go to the end of this month. Actually, I'm going to change my mind and go just do March to March 31st. And that would generate me a list of the work that was completed over that time period. You'll select your school year, which will always default to the current year, but you can go back to a different time. Obviously, your dates need to be within the range of your school year. Then all grading categories, I'm going to choose all. Whether you would like to see incomplete work only, so if you just want to see what your student is behind in, or if you'd like to see all work, only completed, any status, and then if you want resources included on your printout. I am actually going to go back in and I'm going to do just the beginning of this week to the end of this week for this student and select OK. Then you'll see your report here. You'll get to choose a layout, whether you would like it listed by student and then class, so this gives all math assignments for this week, followed by all science, or by class, if you were doing a report for more than one student, or by date, then student, then class. I am going to choose the option by student, then by date, then by class, because I would like my child to see on Monday, April 12th, what is required for them to complete. Once I've done that, I'm going to choose the option print. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to select, for me, black and white, and I'm going to tell it to print, and my student will get a list of all the assignments that they need to print this week. Another option with this report, if you know you're going to go in every Sunday evening or Monday morning or whatever day starts your week, I can save this report. I'm going to save it as Juliana current week. And then when I hit save, I have the option to delete it at any time, but I realize now when I go into reports, I see an option to go to Juliana current week, and it will always bring up the current week's events. I hope this has been helpful. Please reach out if you have any questions, and have a great day.